Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn this beautiful waterfall. Firstly, we need to take in a guideline and dividing it into equal sections, then crossing it. Now you can see the complete tutorial to get the idea how we will make this waterfall. Keep watching the video. Thank you so much for watching the video, and you can use some accessories to hide the pin, or do not forget to subscribe our channel if our channel supports you to learn. Bye bye, take care, we'll meet in next tutorial. Till then, you can practice on your dummy. So thanks a lot again.